That's right. The PEGToo offered a PEZ dispenser that is out of this world. Really is. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh, the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor. Questions, comments, concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So for everyone who attended the PEGToo, they got one of these, and if you look, double-sided tape to keep the card on. That way you don't destroy the integrity of the card with staples. But, open it up. This is the dispenser that the attendees got. And if you notice, this dispenser is out of this world. Very cool looking. And then, custom candy pack. And the candy pack does have the variation of the unconventional convention, which is the PEGToo. Oh, what good times it was at the PEGToo. Good times. But yeah, this was an offering from the PEGToo, and I thought it would share. So proof that there is a PEZ dispenser that is out of this world. So until next time.